Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make reading pillows. These pillows are obviously perfect for books, and they can double as stuffed animal storage. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need for this DIY are 1 yard of fabric, 44 inches wide, 3/4 of a yard of fusible fleece, fabric scissors or a rotary cutter, sewing pins, a sewing machine and matching thread, as well as an acrylic ruler and cutting mat, an iron and an ironing board, a hem guide, and a 16 by 16 inch pillow form. Now it's time to cut our pattern pieces. Let's start by cutting the pillow front. You'll need to cut one piece of fabric 17 inches by 17 inches. For the pillow pocket, you'll need to cut a piece 17 inches by 13.5 inches. Remember, if you have a directional print, you'll want the patterns to match width-wise, so they're going in the same horizontal direction. Next, you'll cut 2 pieces for the back. Again, we'll cut each piece 17 inches by 13.5 inches, and if you're using a directional print, the print should match the front and pocket pieces horizontally. Now it's time to cut your pillow front out of fusible interfacing. Again, you'll cut another 17 by 17 inch square. You're also going to cut a pillow pocket out of your fusible interfacing. So again, we'll be cutting out a piece 17 inches by 13.5 inches. And now it's time to start assembling your pillow. Before we get started, we want to make sure we iron out any wrinkles. Next, we'll apply the fusible interfacing to the back of the pillow front and the pillow pocket. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Once you're done, grab your 2 back pieces and your hem guide so you can start ironing the hem. Again, if you have a directional print, you'll need to be conscious of which side you use for the hem. The hems will overlap at the back, and this opening will be used to insert the pillow form. For the hem, fold over 1/2 inch and press. After you've done this to both pieces, go ahead and fold over another 1/2 inch and press that down as well. You can use your sewing pins to hold the hem in place. You'll repeat this step for the pillow pocket, however you may need to trim any excess fusible fleece. After you trim off any excess fleece, go ahead and fold over another 1/2 inch and pin your hem in place. After you finish the hems, go ahead and take your 2 back pieces and your front pocket piece to your machine and sew down the hems. Next, you'll lay the pocket piece wrong side to the right side of the pillow front and pin along the edges. Now take it to your machine and sew along the sides using a 3/8 inch seam allowance. This will help keep the pocket piece in place as we lay the back pieces over the front. For the first back piece, we're going to lay it right side down, raw edges matching at the top and the hem towards the center. We'll be covering up the pillow pocket. And once we've got it in position, we can go ahead and pin all the way around. We'll lay the second back piece over the first piece we just laid down, and we're going to match the raw edges at the top and pin all the way around. Once everything is pinned, you can take it to your machine and sew a 1/2 inch seam allowance around the entire pillow. After your pillow is sewn, take your scissors and clip your corners. Clipping the corners will help when we turn the pillow right side out. You can use a turning stick or a chopstick to help you push out your corners. I really hope you liked this video tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join my DIY family and click the little notifications bell to keep up to date with all of my tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.